Alright, so Let's Resin decided they were going to send me some more stuff to play with. I kind of dropped the ball, but we're going to do it anyway. So we're going to celebrate Christmas, I think. Ha ha ha! And maybe some gummy bears and some glitter. And I got a pumpkin mold with a lid. Okay, it looks something like this guy right here. So this is one I tried out. They're kind of cool, actually. Takes a lot of resin though. And then a skull. And then they also sent me some colors. So tank full of colors. So we're gonna make a few things up here and see what we can get from there. I'm pretty sure in the description below there's a link for, I think it was 10% off. So if y'all are interested in anything or whatever else they might have new, it's in there. If you follow that link, then I get a percentage also. So thank you for that. So let's get going with this. 150 grams of A. $150 grams of B. Alright, so I'm going to divide this up equally, 3 parts, 100, 100, and close to 100 anyways. Alright, so I think I'm going to put some resin gummy bears in the skull here. Well, alright, let's see what these look like. Just kind of like trying to get a tire off a car. Alright, it's a little difficult. So my air bubbles kind of gave a little bit of shrinkage, so I think I got to clean that up a little bit. But other than that, my Christmas pumpkin's kind of cute. I might have went a little less on the red, maybe. Well, I don't think it looks too bad. What do you think? Yeah? Oh, here you go. There's the green. And now, let's get my gummy bear skull. I'm not sure why it's foggy like that. We're about to find out, aren't we, huh? Oh, wow. That's, surprised how much these stretch. Kind of have maybe a reaction to the gummies, maybe. Kind of made it cloudy, but it's kind of cool. It's got gummy bears in it. I put blue in it, so hopefully that it would stay clear. Like that, right there, which is still kind of clear, but I'm not sure what this is from. I want to try to do those in a skull, so we'll get that going and see what happens. Alright, so I stuck my little ribbons together. And we are going to, I don't know what we're going to do here. Okay, we're going to put a little bit of glitter in there, so it looks like it's snowing. I've got a snow globe cone looking thing, or skull. I'm just going to start off a little bit. See it. I think I like it. Hopefully that stays suspended. I can tell you guys, things are not easy to demold. Oh, look at that. Ripped my glove. They do hold up well, though, because you'd think they'd tear. Oh, come on. Just come out of there. How can I not get that out of there? I can't get it out. There we go, I think. That looks better, I think, than that one. The blue must have messed with that one. Look at that. That's kind of cool looking. Look at that one. That's much better, I think. Alright. Yeah, maybe the blue dye was a bad idea, because that looks really good. Especially with the ribbons in it. It's awesome. Alright. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed my video. I know you didn't watch that one, but trying to move everything into the picture here. So, are we there? Yeah, I think we're there. Close enough. Yeah, and yeah. I hope you enjoyed my video. There are links in the description for 10% off. You have to follow them in order for you to get it, or that tracks them to me anyways, if you intend to buy anything. These are just a few of the molds. I have a lot more I have not even touched yet. But yeah, I know I missed Halloween, but I have a Christmas skull and a Christmas pumpkin and a gummy bear one. So give her a thumbs up if you liked it. Give her a thumbs down if you did not. Put the pictures up at the end, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.